So I got this call for a 5.9 Cummins in a Ford water truck that was a crank no start. After diagnosing, I found the lift pump was no longer pumping. Had to order parts. Returned once I received the parts, removed the fuel filter housing to access the lift pump. It's always nice working in beautiful scenery. The mounting bolts for the lift pump are easily accessible from the bottom of the truck. And once you get it removed, you want to clean everything up as nice as you can and start swapping over the lines and hoses to the new pump. It's important to keep everything as clean as possible to eliminate getting any debris inside the fuel system. Always sign and date it, and good to go. Listen to that sound. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for more videos like this. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel.